Hello everyone, I hope you are well. I am Amin from Amino Weeds channel. Thank you for all your support of Amino Weeds channel. Your support encouraged me to create more valuable content for you. But today we are going to learn this interesting motion graphics. We make all this animation like Microsoft style in Cinema 4D. First modeling the icon tab, then animate, finally render in Octane. And the complete source of these files is available on my channel, which you can download. I would be happy if you follow me on LinkedIn and YouTube and share my page with your friends. I select the rectangle and change its dimensions and round the corners. As always, I create the layering at the beginning. To give volume to the area I created, I use extrude and change the offset. In order to be able to implement the waveform mode on this surface, I need segmentation. As you can see, the segmentation on my surface is 0. In order to create a uniform segmentation, I use remesh and child the created volume, and I increase the polygon count. I use deformer smoothing to make the edges round. In order to create a wave mode on the surface of the object, I add the vertex map to a mesh and select the spherical field from the field. Also, in order to create more unevenness, I add a random field path and put it on overlay mode and increase the scale. I add another vertex map to remesh, which will take over the task of creating a bump, and I insert the primary vertex map into it. Then I select the curve from this part and make its graph according to what you see. As you can see, the wave was created. Now I animate the spherical field. To create a bump, I just need to use the plane deformer and enter the vertex map in its fields. I set deformer to point mode and increase Z position. Well, nothing happened. The reason could be that the Use Deformed Points tick is active, which I disabled. Now it's fixed. Another problem we have, besides increasing the number of polygons, is that I still don't have a smooth surface. If I bring the smoothing deformer, the bottom of the plane will be fixed. You can see that the order of the layers is important. Well, thank God it was fixed. I changed the spherical field settings a bit to improve the waveform. You can also create the desired wave. I will also change the plane and smoothing values a little to see if it gets better or not. Now, if I want a text on this surface to go down with this high wave, I just need to type the desired text and give it volume with extrude. In order to be able to use the plane effector, it is enough to make the text a child fracture. Now I child all these layers to a plane effector and put the vertex map inside its field. I change the plane position value. Well, if I go back behind the object, you will see that the letters go up in the opposite direction. To change the direction, it is enough to put a negative number behind the position number. It happened. You can change it by changing the cross-section of your object. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video. Thank yourself for watching a new tutorial today. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and introduce my channel to your friends on YouTube and LinkedIn. Have a nice day.
امین edalatipour این ورا دنبال پیشرفت میریم تا پلوتون تو هم همین سر نخو بگیر و برو دو آره لایک و سابسکرایب یادتون نره مرسی